I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
Everyone, hello universe! It's me again mga Beshwa. Ayan, may updates tayo dito sa ating mga kababayan. Sila po yung mga tinatawag na distressed OFW na umuwi sa Pilipinas. No, grabe napakagaling ng ating gobyerno. Talaga namang itong ating mga kababayan, for sure matagal na sila na na gustong umuwi, pero may kahirapan sa kanilang pag-uwi. Pero dahil ngayon sa Marcos administration talaga namang ang bilis, no? So sa ating mga kababayan, ayan, welcome home. Basahin po natin para kompleto, detalyado. But before that, ito po yung mga highlights mga kababayan. Ayan sila, galing naman. Pero alam nyo, ang kinagaganda dito sa ating mga OFW pag umuwi ng Pilipinas sa Marcos administration, may makukuha sila mga kababayan. Dahil dito, basahin po natin Ito August 11 ito mga kababayan. One day ago. Department of Migrant Workers financial support to OFW through the Action Fund. A total of 28 distressed overseas Filipino workers, which is ang OFWs, received financial support amounting to 1.650 million through the DMW Action Fund during a simple ceremony held today, August 11, at DMW Central Office in Mandaluyong City. Tingnan nyo, no? Galing talaga. At least, umuwi sila na hindi sila nahirapan at mayroon silang nakukuhang pinansyal galing sa pamahalaan. Siyempre sa DMW. Assistant Secretary Benicio Legaspi and DMW NCR Regional Director Falconi Millar lead the awarding of the financial assistance as testament of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. directed to provide immediate and necessary support to the OFW and their families. Biro nyo yun. Grabe galing talaga ng Pangulo. Talagang hindi siya nagpabaya Iyan ang isa sa mga gusto ko sa Pangulong Marcos Jr. May kalinga siya mga kababayan. Of course, through his secretary na talaga binigyan ng kaukulang aksyon itong ating mga kababayan na talaga namang they are in good hands, na walang kahirap-hirap. Tuloy, out of the 28 beneficiaries, 8 OFW were provided financial aid to support their medical needs. Diba? Social. Including hospitalization and further consultation. Among the beneficiaries was a family of deceased OFW who received a financial assistance of 100,000. For sure, baka dyan sa Pampanga, di ba mayroong hospital ng OFW dyan? So, dahil dito mga beswa, ayan tuloy. Action Fund or the Agarang Kalinga at Saklolo para sa mga OFW nangangailangan. Action Fund is a special fund allocated in response to the urgent and critical assistance needed by OFW who are facing multiple challenges while working away from home and by their families who are left behind. Galing. Sabi sa inyo saan kayo makakita sa ganitong klaseng administration kompleto ang kalinga, di ba? Ayan sila, no? Yan po ang ating mga kababayan. Hindi lang yan, mga kababayan, eto pa. Sunod-sunod talaga na itong ating mga distressed overseas Philippine workers ay nasipag-uwian. Ito, basahin po natin Sabi dito, look, 16 distressed overseas Philippine worker, which is of OFW from Jeddah, safely arrived at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport na EA Terminal 1 in Pasay City via Saudi Airlines flight SB870 at 9:15 PM. Ayan, August 11. Tama. Akala ko 22 hours, August 11 pala talaga, one day ago. They were welcomed by the Migrant Workers Assistant Secretary Regina Angela Galias together with the team from the Department of Migrant Workers which is ang DMW, OIC Chief na Yumi Tanyag of the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration OWA and the Manila International Airport Authority. Mia Medical Team Agay. OWA will provide free temporary shelter, hotel accommodation for 1 to 3 days along with the complimentary plane tickets to their respective home provinces. Upon arrival, the repatriated workers were provided with immediate medical support and financial assistance to help team reintegrate into their family and community. The repatriation was made possible through the coordinated efforts of the MWO, OWA, JEDA, in partnership with the Philippines Consulate General in fulfillment of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. directive to take care of OFW. You see, mga beswa, ito yung mga highlights. Ayan sila, oh. Ang saya-saya nila. Oh, nakatanggap sila ng mga financial, mga bes. So, saan kayo makakita niyan? Galing. Sila. Ay, nako, welcome home, mga kababayan. O, di ba? Masayang-masaya sila at nakarating sila sa kanilang sariling bansa at makasama ang kanilang pamilya. Ayan, kompleto. Medical, financial, tulong, tulugan for 3 days. O, di ba? Enjoy. Sa 3 araw nyo, pasyal-pasyal lang kayo. Di ba? Para nang sa ganun kumbaga maging maaliwalas yung utak nyo at free kayo sa mga hardworking na pinanggalingan nyo. Yun na naman pinakamaganda. Enjoy yourself, mga beswa. O hindi lang yan, mga bes, eto pa. Ayan, ito 9 hours ago kahapon, August 11 ito, no. Ay hindi, 12. Sabi dito, mga kababayan, ayan, renewed hope back home. 8 distressed overseas Filipino workers from Jeddah Kingdom of Saudi Arabia safely returned home with the renewed hope as they received immediate assistance and support from the government. The OFW repatriates arrived tonight, August 12, kahapon nga, 2025 at Dinae Terminal 1 in Pasay City via Saudi Airlines SB at 70. Agay. Department of Migrant Workers, DMW Assistant Secretary Maria Regina Angela Gilas along with the team of the DMW and Overseas Workers Welfare Administration OWA welcome the repatriates who previously stayed at the Bahay Kalinga shelter in Jeddah prior to return home. Oh, di ba? Mga best, the repatriation of the FW was through the joint efforts of the MWO, OWA, and the Philippine Consulate General of Jeddah. Ayan, all of them received immediate financial assistance under the DMW's Action Fund and other forms of support from the government. OWA has also arranged their temporary accommodation and will provide transportation back to their respective provinces. They will also receive the medical assistance through referrals to the Department of Health. Ayan, welcome home again. Congratulations po sa inyo. Feel nila ang kanilang bansa sa kanilang pag-uwi. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo ang ating mga kababayan. Ayan, welcome home, mga kababayan. Talagang sila, binigyan talaga sila ng importansya. Di ba, mga best? You see, naabot pa ang mga financial para sa kanila. Hindi natin alam kung magkano. Wala naman nakalagay. So, maganda yan. So, yun mga beswa, ang aking pinaka-latest updates. See you again on my next upload. Bye, yan, babus. God bless, Philippines.